Okay, here's number 8 from the 5.3 simple worksheet. So again, most of you could do the work, but I'll work through it anyway just to do the whole problem. So because we have an absolute value, we have the tan of x equals 2, and we also have to consider tan of x equals negative 2. So that means x is equal to the tan inverse of 2, and x is equal to the tan inverse of negative 2. Okay, so again, you're going to use your calculator here. Just as a side note, remember you're looking for where is the tan positive. So just as a note to myself, tan is positive. I'm looking in quadrant 1 and then in quadrant 3 just for myself. Where is tangent negative? That's quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. Again, those are just notes to myself. Okay, so using your calculator in radian mode, the inverse tan of 2, you're going to get 1.107. And over here, again, same thing, use your calculator. You're going to get negative 1.107. All right, so it'd be great if that was just the answer, but there's actually more to this problem than that. Let's consider this situation first, where we want to be in quadrant 1 and 3. So again, this is not drawn to scale. Here's your angle, 1.107 radians. Great, we got that angle, but we also need the one in quadrant 3. Okay, so here we are in quadrant 3. Also remember, the restriction we have is from negative pi to pi. So if you think about it, the 1.107, that's in the pi range, if you will. And now we need to consider the one in the negative pi. So negative pi would be going, remember it's a negative angle, so it would be going this way. All right, so looking at, again, this is in the negative pi area. How would you find that? Well, we would take negative pi, because negative pi would be that whole angle right there, negative pi plus 1.107. Why 1.107? Because that's this angle over here that we're missing, the only piece we don't want included in this angle. And so when you do that out, you get negative 2.035, I believe, if I round correctly. So my two answers for this one are 1.107 and negative 2.035. Remember those, I apologize for the blurriness. Come on into focus. So those are radians, remember. Now again, just as a visual for this one, we're looking at quadrant 2 and 4. Okay, remember we got negative 1.107. Remember this is not drawn to scale. Okay, so there's that angle. This takes care of the negative pi angle for this, because negative pi, I keep drawing it, would be from here to here. That would be negative pi. Now quadrant 2, okay, we're looking for this angle right here. So how are you going to find that? Remember, this is the pi. Okay, so you're going to take pi and subtract 1.107. Why 1.107? Because that's this angle right here. And when you do that out, you're going to get 2.035. So what are our answers for this whole problem? Plus or minus 1.107, because we have the negative here, the positive here. And then also plus or minus 2.035, because you got the negative here and the positive one there. Hope that helps.